The lightweight and compact Ruger LC carbine was first introduced in 5.7 by 28 millimeter as a companion to the Ruger 5.7 pistol. Ruger later introduced a larger caliber version in .45 auto with some upgraded features. The newest version is this one here. This is in 10 millimeter auto. Some of the features of the Ruger LC carbine in .45 auto and 10 millimeter auto are the threaded 16-inch barrel. Of course, you have an aluminum handguard with M-lock on 7 sides. On the top, you have a full-length Picatinny rail for optics and accessories. It includes the Ruger rapid deployment flip sights, including adjustable rear sight as well. Coming back to the charging handle, this is reversible, can be mounted left side or right side. On the bottom, you have another section of Picatinny rail for accessories. There's actually 2 bolt releases, one which you can use on the right side with your index finger. The other one on the left side is thumb operated. You can also use the charging handle as a bolt release. The safety is ambidextrous. It's located on both sides. This features Ruger's secure action trigger and a reversible magazine release that can be flipped left or right. The magwell fits Glock style magazines and aftermarket magazines of the same pattern. You have a section of Picatinny rail that mounts the stock, also could mount any accessory stocks, and it also has Ruger's collapsible, adjustable, and side folding stock, which can side fold left or right. For more information on the Ruger LC carbine in 5.7 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and .45 auto, check out Ruger.com or your local firearms retailer. And for more information on Ruger accessories, check out shopruger.com.